Hello. So I'll be showing you how to make your Google Meet class visible to students and to hide it as well. So here's my practice class. As you can see, I have my Meet link here. So if I click here, I automatically go to my Meet link. If you want to hide this, you can click on. So right now it's not visible to students. You can see the little I with an X or a slash on there. To set that up, you would not have it in the initial classroom. So to set that up, you would go under Meet here, and it would say, would you like to set up your Meet link or something like that. Here, visible to students, so you can click on it and make sure you always hit save up here. So right now it's visible to students, so whoever's in my classroom can automatically click on it and sign in and start the meeting. So you could start the meeting with that. You can also invite using so I would have to start the meeting to invite. You can add people, so you can send them an email, typing in. You can also invite from here. Oh no, not that, up here. So you can add people here. Then that sends them an email. So I would end this here. Then now, if you don't want your students to see this up here, you would exit it out or click on it so it could not be visible to students. You save it. But say you want to invite somebody to your class, you can always go back to the settings. You click on your Meet here and you can copy it and you can send it as an attached email.